Good morning, good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Yeah, I'm okay. Got here before you. Normally you here before me.
Yeah.
Lovely car. Chevy. Hi everybody, we're back at the Piston Ring. It's the 15th of December and yeah, it's our last show for the year, so it's just a general meet-up and greet-up, and yeah, we'll probably have an annual meeting, but it is the last show. It's still quite early, a lot of people haven't arrived yet, but I'll take you through the arenas. We'll go have a look at the top field and go and see what's on offer today. So please, before we get started, hit the subscribe button. Please like and share, comment. Every click really does help grow our channel and bring more people into the family so we can all enjoy the classics together. So I hope you enjoy, and let's go have a look and see what Piston Ring has to offer today. Very, very old books, very old magazines. Golden oldie. Take a walk this way and then we'll go around the left side up to the top field. It's old Ruan from GFC. It's a lovely cortina, this. wind is also picking up. So I'm going to have to do quite a quick walk to try and catch everybody before the rain comes. Ah, there's old Jerry.
Jeff, marketing 101. Never stop advertising. Yeah. There's a proven case study. One of the tobacco companies tried
That's GPS.
like digital.
Yeah, so you just put in a GPS, so everything works off GPS, and then the other stuff is just normal. But you can buy a nice set about
So what do you do with that?
No, but I'll use the same because it's just the plate side. So I'll design a new plate with
Electronic stuff.
round
Okay.
normal analog type stuff. It's just a the actual clock will be
Where do you
GPS.
get those from?
No, there's a lot of places. AutoStyle does it. And, yeah, so there's a lot of places you can get it from. Yeah, it's just it's not.
Yeah, it's relatively quiet today, being the last day. The summer holidays have started in South Africa, so a lot of people are traveling to their holiday destinations. But obviously, for the people who are staying at home, this is an awesome show to end the year with. Let's see, some lovely, lovely classics again. It's always worth the walk. Come and see what's here in the upper field. Luckily today it's not as hot as it always is in summer. This lovely little zephyr. Oh. Okay. Fords here. Let's take a look at what we've got. A little tracer. Shame these cars also now starting to join us.
En dan dinge is in hulle op en package 20 whatever. Dan moet jy nou opstaan, dan moet jy nou loop. Sê vir al die package whatever. Kom dit dan. Oh sorry, I want a light as well. Jy weet, kom op, dan wil ek doen my broek aan. Very, very nice.
FERROCSA forts here today. So guys, if you are here, you should come say hello to us in the FERROCSA arena, man. We'd love to see your cars. I'll put it on YouTube. Gate where everybody pays to come in, about $20 a person if you're not here with a classic. $20 is 20 Rand, guys. Oh, something peeking out there in the back. Let's go have a look. What do we have over here? Oh, have a look. Let's have a look at the Chairman's Choice vehicles here today.
The golden hubcap is placed in front of Roy's control panel. Please, if you'd like to make a donation, there's a golden hubcap on the table. Please do a financial donation of any sort, starting preferably at 2,000 Rand and up. Oh, I didn't even get Roy's attention. I said 2,000 Rand. You were going to give 2,000 Rand to the golden hubcap. Ah, he's poor. So he's like the rest of us, guys. He went to APSA and they were absent. Okay.
I've got an old pie in the garage in my car.
You've got a what in the garage?
Old pie.
An old pie. You sure it's not a tortoise? Okay, guys. Roy's not really smuggling tortoises from Pretoria. He's just trying to sell pies on the sideline. Okay, folks, please, the donation hubcap is with Roy in front of his panel. If you'd like to make a financial donation, no matter how small, please do. This money goes for a good cause that helps getting them here next time and getting them home this.
So now we'll go around this way and see what we can find on this side of the world. See, lots of traders, lots of people coming out and showing us what they've got. Let's see, do we have any classics hiding away here? Thank you for taking a walk with me around the event and taking a look at all the lovely cars that are on display. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment. As I've said before, every click does help us. And yes, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye bye.